This is a story of Dave and Sharon finally living their dreams of sailing to the Caribbean and beyond. Join us while we share our adventures from getting the boat ready and embarking on our cruising life.
So what we're doing right now is replacing the worm gear on the autopilot rudder feedback unit. Thanks to Daniel, see if I get this right, Fua, F-U-A, in Italy, who is the all-out experts on these autopilots, these Neko autopilots. He was so gracious. He had it in he had extras, and he sent me one that he actually just gave me, although with shipping from Europe and all that stuff, it was about as costly as buying a whole gear, which is fine. That guy is great, and I suggest you get his Facebook. If you ever need any help on these at all, it shows you how to do everything, including aligning, and that's what we're doing right now, is getting alignment on the bench right here. On the bench, I aligned the potentiometer to the center by ohming out between here and here, and then here and here, and getting the same so they match. And I locked these wheels down. I had marked these prior right there, and so I know where those align. That's my stop for my port and starboard as far as you want that wheel to go. And then this is the worm gear that I got, and what was happening is the other worm gear was so worn down that when I put this new potentiometer on, it bottomed out right there at the bottom there. Bottomed right out, and then it would lock this whole thing up and then tear the gear up more. Thank God this is a soft metal, that's a hard metal, so it tears this gear up and not the one in the motor. So right now I've got these all aligned. This new potentiometer has a flat spot in the middle where the old one didn't, and I found that the set screw just doesn't hold on that flat spot, so I pulled this around the other side and put some Loctite in there, and then I'm going to go back and pull these out and Loctite them, and then we'll come back and place her in and start soldering up the leads. We've soldered her up, got everything tightened, got the stops in, so now we're going to go fire her up. What we're going to do is, since we have to know where we are, which this should be pretty set from testing before, we'll come up into this mess and find out our heading right here on the compass, and then we'll set it right down here. And then I think what I might do is turn the Ray Marine on and get our compass setting from that, and see if we're all in cahoots here, see which we're going to set her for. So we'll do that. Actually, we'll see what the compass reading is here. It is, I don't know if you can see that or not. Doom. That looks like about 45 degrees. And this has always seemed to be off by so many degrees. So, yeah, 45 degrees is over here. I doubt that's going to happen. So 4, that's 50, so that's about 45 right in there. Somewhere in there. Come down here. hit the pilot, and that's autopilot. And this. Now here's where we have to kind of watch that it doesn't take off on us. In fact, I think I'm gonna put this Ray Marine on here. Come on. There we go. We'll let that warm up, but we're gonna go ahead and give this a try. So here's the on here. We'll put that about 5. Put that right about in the middle. That's centered. So that's my trim. How much rudder movement to stay in. Sensitivity. Get sensitivity right about in the middle. All right. And this doesn't work. My illumination doesn't work. Can't really find where the bulbs are on that. All right, so I'm gonna watch right over here. Oh, she's going all the way over. Yep, she's working. I may not have, so there she goes. She is working. Quite sensitive right now. So I'm going to change this slightly. Here we go again. Looks like I need to grease that up a little bit too. And here we'll change it. So right there is almost centered, and you can see I'm off by about 15 degrees, and that's about right from what this is done. Another terminal over here, and they have a tourist helicopter that gives you little helicopter rides over here, and it's flashing. But up here is I don't know, a ship. But they also have a casino boat where you can go out and gamble out in the ocean. I think 3 miles off, and they can do gambling or something. A catamaran warship is over here. There's a lot of stuff in this port, kind of like an industrial port. Here's a cargo ship. They have little pods to get out. They're dingy pods, I don't know what they're called. But they have that. Into a sudden stop. Thought we ran out of fuel, but something's stuck in the prop. Probably the seaweed that's floating everywhere. Garbage. Yeah, there's garbage. So you have to clean that out. It's a prop. And now he has to clean it up. Get that out. Oh my, a plastic garbage bag. You should bring it into the boat. That's what was there.
park. Where people get yearly passes or something, they can reserve camping, they can fish, and then the beach is on the other side of it. This must be like the welcome center, little walkway, and then you can go out on the jetty and fish. Oh, we did walk it once. We went in through the beach side. And this is the port, the opening through the port, where you come in and out of the channel. And now we're going over to this side. I think this is where all the rockets launch from, this area. Not right here, but this is goes up and down. Here is a submarine. It must have hit ground. Got stuck over there, so they put a concrete wall around it. But actually, no, it's just a top of a submarine that they stuck in the ground. It's kind of cool. It makes a good conversation piece as you're coming in. And yeah, coming into port. There's a tugboat ready to pull this cargo ship or whatever it is away from the dock and out. There is the bridge when it's up. All the boats in the marinas. Fishing boats out of the water. They don't ever need to get their bottoms done. You have to scrape the bottoms from all barnacles and stuff. So they must have a special rate there. There's Tissot and Tow US and various other boats. And this is Cape Marina. This is where we're at. When you come in, you see all these. This is the fuel dock over here. We're next to the big giant boat. It looks pretty small next to that big giant boat, but that's where we're at. So we have the end. There's one mile, the blank spot where the betta tow is. It's out of the water for the moment. A cruiser, tiny, which is like a houseboat, which is beautiful inside. And then us, Huntress. We want to say thank you to all of our viewers who have subscribed and commented. We appreciate your support and feedback. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps us build our channel up so we can keep bringing you more videos.